So I currently work in the smart buildings industry, which is essentially where we help our clients smart enable their buildings, and we work with a lot of commercial office spaces. It means taking in data from a building and putting it onto the cloud to do some analytic, just to have an overview of how your building is doing. For example, you've got electricity meters in your building, so taking all of that data and putting it onto the cloud can give you an overview of how much energy you're using. My role is quite varied. Coming in as a graduate in a very new industry, I have worked on things like hardware, like a gateway, which is essentially what can help take data and put it onto the cloud, and then also helping out with technical documentation, so like specifications for buildings, and I've done a bit of market research, so just seeing what hardware and software is out there. For example, what indoor air quality monitors are available on the market, to consult to clients and be like, oh, this is the best, or this would be the best for you to use. We went on a school trip to a Range Rover or something, and then I saw them build robots. Well, the robots were building the cars, and I was like, that's cool, I want to make robots that can build things. So before I did my A-levels, I did AS in maths, physics, design and technology, and economics. I have a bachelor's degree in electrical and electronics engineering, and I have a master's in 5G communications and intelligent embedded systems. It is so beneficial to know as many programming languages as possible. So I'm doing quite a lot of work with Python at the moment, so using that to create scripts for automation. JavaScript is also useful to know. So many things. I'm learning Node.js at the moment. I'd say the main reason I enjoy my job is that because it's quite a new industry, it is quite varied and it's really fast growing, so there's a lot to learn, a lot of new technology to learn about and explore. Definitely learn Python, just do it. And I would also encourage my younger self to think more about networking. Try to find a community of people in the same space, because it's easy to feel isolated and lonely in your degree, of course, but there are other people out there that look like you and think like you. Just having a willingness to learn. I found that I'm always just to all my co-workers, what's that? How are we doing this? And just butting into people's work, just being what's going on? But yes, having a willingness to learn and also wanting to, pick up tasks that can help, improve my learning as well. So I think those two, a willingness to learn and an eagerness to pick up tasks, and also just being able to research things, I guess.